guys, welcome back to C500. Sorry I'm losing my voice. Merry Christmas. To celebrate, we are unboxing our brand new iPad mini 4. It's a 128 gigabyte space gray Wi-Fi only version. I also got a GoPro Hero 7, so that'll be my camera. So hard to talk. So hard to talk. It's very light and thin. And it looks very nice. So, let's turn it on for the first time. And yes, I'm wearing a pink fluffy onesie because I am crazy. We're waiting for that to turn on. Let's look at what else came in the box. We have the wall adapter for the charger. We have the stickers. We have the lightning cable charger, and that's it. So look at these. iPad mini. Some stuff on the back. iPad info. Stuff there, and the Apple stickers. Okay, so the iPad is ready to set up, so I'll just do that and I'll get right back to you. All right, now I just have to wait. Yes. So that's my new iPad mini. I hope you enjoyed this video, even though my voice is about to give up. So that's my iPad mini, and bye. Merry Christmas.